If your neck feels stiff, if your hips are locked, if your body feels like it's still asleep even though you've been awake for an hour, this flow is how you gently wake it all back up. Let's hit the mat. You carry more weight in your neck than you think. Emails, conversations, mental clutter. Sit tall, chair or floor. Shoulders relaxed. Gently tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Pause, breathe, switch sides at 30 seconds. Add a light hand support, not force. Beginners stay seated with back support. Advanced, add slow half circles for deeper fascia release. Your neck houses the gateway to the nervous system. I promise releasing this tension can shift your mood before your coffee does. Can you hold this tilt for 5 more seconds without clenching? That just resets your headspace. Now let's unlock your grip. Your hands do more than hold phones, and they hold more stress than we realize. Extend one arm forward, palm up, with the other hand and gently pull back on your fingers. Switch to palm down after 30 seconds, then alternate arms. Beginners keep elbows bent for less intensity. Advanced, straighten the arm fully and press through the heel of your palm. Typing, texting, even driving, your wrists get no rest. I promise this stretch unlocks circulation you didn't know was blocked. Do you feel that opening through your forearm? If not, try flexing your fingertips gently. That just restored your reach. Now we expand your posture. We're reversing the hunched over shape most of us live in all day. Interlace your fingers behind your back, pull your knuckles down as you open through the chest. Lift your heart, drop your shoulders. Beginners, use a towel between hands. Advanced, add a forward fold with arms extended. Posture impacts emotion. Confidence arises when the chest expands. I promise this is your reset for bold, open presence. Let's hold 5 more seconds. Breathe into the front of your shoulders. That just lifted your posture. Now we untie the hips. Most people stretch around the hips, but this move goes into the joint itself. Sit on the floor or edge of a chair, knees bent. Drop one knee inward while keeping the foot planted. Switch slowly side to side. Beginners, keep motion small. Advanced, add a slight lean forward for deeper range. Internal hip rotation is often the missed link in injury prevention. I promise freeing up this pattern gives you walk power and grace. Feel that pinch or pull? That's your signal to go slower, not harder. That just realigned your stride. Now let's finish with a twist. This is how you take control of your spine before the world bends it for you. Sit tall with the legs crossed or feet flat. Rotate your torso gently to the right, using your hand on your thigh. Hold, breathe, then alternate or switch sides at 30 seconds. Beginners, keep hands light, no force. Advanced, deepen the twist on each exhale. This is more than a stretch. It's a recalibration of your internal compass. I promise your focus will feel clearer on the other side. 5 more seconds. Can you twist just 1 inch deeper? That's just align your spine. Now move through your day with intention.